WADAS recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe is a very healthy recipe, something which you can give your kids, your family members for breakfast, for a snack, or even for a light meal. This is the Goan wheat and Jaggery Bhakri. So it doesn't have any sugar, it doesn't have any oil, there is no deep frying. It's super delicious and super tasty. So let's jump straight ahead into the recipe and meet me at the end of the video for a few tips about the recipe. that a real simple recipe? Now a few tips to keep in mind is that soak the jaggery for a good amount of time in the hot water for about at least 30 minutes, because then it will dissolve and then the water also comes to room temperature. So if there are any particles like you saw me doing, I just crush them with my fingers. We want a very clear kind of a liquid. Also use fresh coconut. See that the coconut is not frozen or it's not stale. It should be nice and freshly grated. About a day or two maximum. Don't use very stale coconut. Also, we are going to be using whole wheat flour, which is very healthy, which we use for our chapatis every day and rotis every day. Now the consistency, like you saw, it has to be a very thick consistency. It shouldn't be runny and it shouldn't be a dough consistency. So it should be like when you make, I guess, ghavan. If you all know what is ghavan, it has to be of that consistency. Therein, you can just pick it up and press it, put it down on your pan, and then take a little bit of water and just press it down. Now if you're a new beginner and you want to make this and you're scared of putting your hand onto the flame, the easiest thing you can do is you can take some butter paper or some grease paper, wet that a little bit, and then with your hand just thapify it on top. So you take a big piece of butter paper, press it down on that ghavan, and then press it with your hands. That way your hands won't come in touch with the paper directly. The thing is that I'm using pure ghee or clarified ghee. Don't use oil, because then the entire taste of this recipe will get totally changed. So use ghee. Ghee is easily available in stores, and put a little bit of ghee, not too much, because then when you're pressing down the water it does splatter, so just be careful a little bit. And then just put a little bit of ghee on the top, and you can have this as all by itself actually with a cup of tea, or you can have it with some pickle or whatever. So if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to hit the big like button, the thumbs up icon that you see below the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have loads and loads of Goan recipes. I have a playlist of Goan recipes, sweets, savory. So go to my homepage, there's something called playlist. Just go and type Goan and you'll get all the Goan recipes. Or even if you type Akshata's recipes with an apostrophe S, Goan recipes, you'll get all my Goan recipes. I have so many recipes, all traditional recipes. So you can go and check all of them out, and I'll leave all the recipes down in the description box and the comment section. Just click on the link, it will take you directly to the recipe. So having said all of that, thank you so much for watching today's recipe, and do give it a try, guys. Don't be afraid. Give it a try. If you're very young and you're scared, then ask your mom or any elder person to help you out. But give this a try. It's really nice. It's even a healthy tiffin item to give kids once they start back with school. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and look out for many more recipes coming up. I have loads and loads of recipes coming up, and take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.
A good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be 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 a good day. Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.